sugar mill ruins was once part of the Cruger-dePeyster Plantation, which was built in the early 19th century. This 17-acre historic site contains the ruins of the coquina sugar factory that was raided during a war between the Seminole Indians and the United States. These walls are a reminder of an agricultural venture gone up in smoke, along with people's plan for taming the Florida frontier. In 1830, Henry Cruger and William dePeyster acquired 600 acres near the village of New Smyrna, now known as New Smyrna Beach. They borrowed money, secured machinery from New York, and established a sugar factory. 5 years later, their plantation lay in ruins. The mill had little time to produce sugar or to repay investors before it was wrecked by the Seminoles. In December 1835, they ran off the overseer, burned the complex, and destroyed other plantations throughout the region. Behind the scenes, Matthew is controlling the Wiral LITE cable cam mount with the included remote and slowly moving the Insta360R camera to create these shots. Let's return to the ruins to see another go and to learn more about them. Today, Sugar Mill Ruins is considered to be an archaeology site, which is due to the facing years of Florida's rugged weather, the surrounding destructive vegetation, careless visitors climbing the walls, and misguided masonry patching from previous explorers.